well mentioned to the court. The investigation team did give me enough evidence to tell me that the number ends with 202 belongs to suspect number 5. The other number ends with 458 belongs to Kelly Kumalo. And that the investigation leader will come and testify about that.
Manje ke mina ngakusho ke ukuthi ithimba labaphenyi likwazile ukunginikeza ulwazi olwanele ukuthi ke ngikwazi ukusho ukuthi le nombolo ke ephelele ngo202 yomangalela wesihlanu kanti 458 egcina ngo458 ile ka Kelly Kumalo. Lokho ke bangakwazi ukuthi beze la enkantolo bazokwazi ukuqinisekisa.
Colonel, I don't want us to testify or to refer. Can you tell this court with sentencing if the number read into the record as the number belonging to Mr. Ntuli was record or not? If yes, to which address was it registered to?
The number wasn't record in his name.
Okokuqala ke inombolo lena ke okuthiwa kwakuyinombolo kalona ubaba Ntuli ibingekho record okanye ibingekho abazange bayirike ngaphansi kwelokho njani ke.
So it was recorded under which name?
I'm not sure, my lord.
Angazi ke igama elalivelela elibonisa ukuthi ke ilona elarika leyo nombolo okwakuthiwa ke inombolo kababa Ntuli.
From your investigation you couldn't find that?
That's correct, my lord.
Okay.
Uqhamuka ke kuphenyo engangilenza akuvelelanga ukuthi leyo nombolo yarikhelwa egameni likabani.
Okay. So it is your evidence that from your investigation you couldn't determine if this number allegedly to set belonging to accused number 5 was recorded under his name or was recorded under any any other person's name.
It was evidently recorded, my lord, but not under his name.
Yona ke yari kwa leyo nombolo kodwa ke hayi ngaphansi kwegama laka Mangalelwa kanye accused number 5.
Okay.
Isandla sika Mangalelwa, the accused person number 5 Sandy.
I said if you say it was recorded under whose name?
I'm not sure, but definitely not his name, because then I should have known. And you couldn't use it if it's not recorded.
Anginaso ke isiqiniseko sokuthi ibingekho segameni lakhe. Should ibirikiwe yona kodwa ke ibingarikwanga egameni lakhe. Anginalo ke igama eyarikhelwa kulo.
And the address given there too as well under the RECA transaction?
I'm not sure about the address, but then definitely not sure it wasn't his name.
Okay.
Kodwa ke anginaso isiqiniseko se-address yokurika ke leyo nombolo. Kodwa ke engikwazi ukuthi igama bengelona igama lakhe elalirike leyo SIM card.
So if it was recorded under someone else's details, how then do you say it belonged to Mr. Ntuli?
No. This number was used by suspect number 5.
Ngoba sengishilo ke khona ulwazi esalithola kwithimba labaphenyi ukuthi leyo nombolo ke iregister ngaphansi komsola wesihlanu.
So the information you got is that it was used by number 5 by Mr. Ntuli, not that it was recorded under Mr. Ntuli.
That's correct.
Yebo kuyiqiniso lokho ke ulwazi
QQ okay, in which Saturday 2020 stroke 06 stroke 20 serial number 1871 NACO 430 04 OTP 30 prisoner received warrant of Samukwena received 1 unit SP Bongani Ntanzi SAP 14 156 of 6/2020 on Phuken case 1186 118 of 6/2020.
The next entry was for Sunday
2020 06 21.
on the 21st of June 2021.
Serial number
No, sorry, on the 21st of June 2020. not
2020, no,
2021.
sorry, 2020.
If we can then get back to your evidence, you have just referred to the OB entries from Primrose on the 20th. Is there anything of importance that happened on the 21st?
Yes, my lord. So perhaps on the 20th, yes, I can confirm. Maybe let me start on the 20th, my lord, that he was indeed received, as I alluded in my evidence before, as per this OB now from Primrose. The time is 04:30. That's when he was received from Primrose. At Primrose SAPS from Phuken, my lord. So that is the first entry at 04:30.
Lana ke ngeithi ngazo i20 lezo ke isikhathi ke u4:30 ila amukelwa khona ke ku police station yase Primrose ebuya ePhuken.
Then, my lord, on the 21st of June 2020 at 22:50, he was then charged, in other words, formally charged in preparation of his first appearance in Phuken court. So he was charged by Sergeant Mohane, and the time was 22:50 with OB reference number 2029.
Well, still on the subject that the offer was, according to the question that was put by Mr. Mngomezulu, made on the 21st of June 2020, I just want to show you Exhibit QQ. It's already in record, but where was the accused detained? Firstly, on Saturday, the 20th.
He was detained at Primrose SAPS, my lord, by
Mangalelwa-
Sergeant Mohane, sorry.
Umangalelwa yena wayekade egcinwe phi ngey20 uthi bekagcinwe ePrimrose uSergeant Mohane.
And what is the relevant entry?
So it's the relevant entry, my lord, it's 713, and the time of detention is 0040. In other words, my lord, 20 to 1 in the morning.
La ke kuye kwabhalwa khona mizuzu emashumi amabini ngaphambi kwehora lokuqala ntathabusa kula kwabhalwa ke ukuthi umsolwa yena uyafakwa ke esiphoyiseni sasePrimrose.
Then, my lord, on the 21st, it's 21 June 2020, the entry there is 2029. It says suspect charged by Sergeant Mohane. That is now in relation to this the Phuken case 118 of 6/2020.